Okay, we're up here in New River, outside of Phoenix, and we did this beautiful little pool hall area here. This is a really great example of the different types of shapes that we're able to do. In this case, we have rectangles here, and then we have these two different size windows that are one window. So you have a T-post here, so this is just one window that we were able to do that way. And then of course a big beautiful arch here with a nice view outside. So the shutters just look incredible. And then it kind of wraps around the room and does the same thing over here. They work perfect. Another thing that makes this look really, really nice is that these are stained. So anyway, this is the pool hall. If we go over here, we have the dining room. And again, it's just looking out on this beautiful view here. 3 separate arches. You can see how this just sets its whole room off. Beautiful dining room, nice wine cellar and everything. View of the mountain out here. So again, just super, super nice looking art. 3 arches. It just really, really looks good in a house like this. That's it.